everyone, welcome to English online class. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. Children, I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. In the last class we were discussing our first lesson 1, PADMINI, isn't it? Yes. Today, let us discuss the question answers from this lesson. So, let us start today's class. Everyone listen carefully, okay? Comprehension A. Answer in brief. Question number 1. What had happened to Padmini? Here the question is, what had happened to Padmini the elephant? Answer. Padmini was caught and held in ropes and chains. She hurt herself when she tried to break free. Yes, what had happened to Padmini? Yes, Padmini was caught and held in ropes and chains. Then when she tried to break that chain, she got lots of wounds and cuts in her body. So, what is the question? What had happened to Padmini? Answer. Padmini was caught and held in ropes and chains. She hurt herself when she tried to break free. Let's see the next question. Question number 2. Why was Padmini weak? Why was Padmini weak or tired? Answer. Padmini was weak because she could not eat or drink anything properly. What is the answer? Padmini was weak because she could not eat or drink anything properly. Next question, question number 3. Why did Amma start to cry when she saw the gun? Yes, in the story we can see when Manoj uncle he took a gun, Amma started to cry. Why did she cry? Answer. Amma cried because she thought Manoj uncle was going to shoot down Padmini. So why did Amma cry? Amma cried because Manoj uncle was going to shoot or kill Padmini. Okay, let's read the question and answer once more. Why did Amma start to cry when she saw the gun? Answer. Amma cried because she thought Manoj uncle was going to shoot down Padmini. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 4. Why should we not show animals that we are afraid? So, in the story we can see Amma says we should not show animals that we are afraid. So, why should we not show that? Answer. If we show that we are afraid, it makes the animals feel that we might harm them. So, why should we not show animals that we are afraid? Because if we show that we are afraid, it makes the animal feel that we might harm them. Okay. It is section B, answer in detail. Okay. In that section, first question is, list down everything that Manoj uncle did to help Padmini. What is the question? List down everything that Manoj uncle did to help Padmini. Okay. What all things that Manoj uncle did to help Padmini? So you have to write that. Answer. Manoj uncle observed Padmini's wounds. Once Padmini was asleep with the effect of bullet, he carefully stitched the wounds on her trunk. He then told Amma how to look after Padmini. So, what did Manoj uncle do to help Padmini? Yes. Manoj uncle observed Padmini's wounds. At first, what he did? He observed Padmini's wounds carefully. Then what he did? Once Padmini was asleep with the effect of bullet, yes, we know he shot Padmini to make her asleep, right? So once when Padmini was asleep with the effect of bullet, he carefully stitched the wounds on her trunk. There was a lot of wounds on her trunk. Then what he did? He then told Amma how to look after Padmini. So you know the story of Padmini and you know what all things that Manoj uncle did to help Padmini. So let's read the question and answer once more. List down everything that Manoj uncle did to help Padmini. Answer. Manoj uncle observed Padmini's wounds. Once Padmini was asleep with the effect of bullet, he carefully stitched the wounds on her trunk. He then told Amma how to look after Padmini. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 2. I give her sugarcane and a little water, but she is too frightened to eat or drink. Who says these words to whom? Who is she and why is she afraid? What is the first question? Who says these words to whom? Which words? I give her sugarcane and a little water, but she is too frightened to eat or drink. So this is a dialogue. So question is, who says these words to whom? Do you know the answer? Right. Amma said these words to Manoj uncle. She was talking about Padmini. So she said these words to Manoj uncle. Then the next question, who is she and why is she afraid? Who is she mentioned in this dialogue? She refers to Padmini. And why is she afraid? She is afraid of being hurt by humans again. So let's read the question and answer once more. I give her sugarcane and a little water, but she is too frightened to eat or drink. Who says these words to whom? Who is she and why is she afraid? Answer. Amma said these words to Manoj uncle. She refers to Padmini. She is afraid of being hurt by humans again. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 3. Manoj uncle was tired, but he also looked happy. Why? So in the story we could see when Manoj uncle went to treat Padmini, after that he looks tired, but he was happy. Why? That is the question. Answer. Controlling an elephant is very difficult. But Manoj uncle was very happy because he knew Padmini would be alright soon. So, why he was tired? Controlling an elephant is very difficult. That is why he tired. But Manoj uncle was happy. Why? Because he knew Padmini would be alright soon. So that is the reason why he is happy. So let's read the question and answer once more. Manoj uncle was tired, but he also looked happy. Why? Answer. Controlling an elephant is very difficult. But Manoj uncle was happy because he knew Padmini would be alright soon. Question number 4. Remember what I told you. Don't take off your bandages. So this is a dialogue, right? Who says this and to whom? Is the speaker angry? So let's see the answer. Amma said these words to Padmini. So who says these words? Amma said these words to Padmini. Then, is the speaker angry? No, she was not angry. She gently scolded her out of love. She was not angry. So let's read the question and answer once more. Remember what I told you. Don't take off your bandages. Who says this and to whom? Is the speaker angry? Answer. Amma said these words to Padmini. She was not angry. She gently scolded her out of love. Children, I hope you understood today's class. You have to write the new words and question answers in your notebook and study. We'll meet next day. Until then, take care. Bye.